You have been meaning to get to that pile of mending for months, possibly longer, possibly years. You're not alone. That mending pile feels really awful, doesn't it? It feels like a very hard task, so we avoid it. This is your mini decluttering challenge. I want you to tackle that mending pile today. You don't have to tackle the whole thing, but pull out one item and mend it. But before you do that, I want you to make a decision about the item. Let's say you haven't missed that item at all. You no longer like it. Don't bother mending it. Put it in your rag pile or donate it if you can find a textile donation site, or discard it. Let it go. The items in the mending pile may no longer fit you or your children, so you can let those go. No guilt, no negative self-talk. It's okay. Draw a line in the sand, give yourself grace, and move forward. Now, if there are items you want to mend, and there probably will be, some that are just missing a button and they still fit and you still want them, then do one thing at a time. Get out your mending kit, your needle and thread, and start with one item at a time. Maybe you like to listen to podcasts or music. Put something on to make it more enjoyable, to make it more fun and entertaining as you mend, because that can be quite tedious. Or here's a really good idea. If your friend has a pile of mending, invite them over. If it's not during the coronavirus time, invite them over for a mending night and cocktails or hot beverage or tea, whatever you like to drink. That'd be kind of fun, wouldn't it? And you'd no longer be stuck and fretting over that mending pile. Okay, so you're going to make it disappear one item at a time. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any of these tidbits and tips. I'm Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized. I'm your non-judgmental, compassionate organizing expert.